wasn't too long ago that we had the unfortunate experience of having to use tedious video editing techniques. We had to use a multitude of tools with multiple features. It got expensive, but now that's no longer the case. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a 60-second AI film, starting with the simplest process and taking advantage of your very own agent to do all the work for you. The app we're working with today is Skywork AI. It's actually an all-in-one production suite that solves the video production problems of the past. All right, so here we are in Skywork, and you can see that this tool provides a lot of really amazing features. But today specifically, we're going to be focusing on AI video.
Like for real, Eric.
So I'm going to show you three options. First, creating a video with audio and dialogue with just one simple prompt. But then we'll be turning the AI into our own personal director. And third, combining reference images and character sheets to make another 60-second film.
Now imagine swimming in this pool.
And make sure to check the links in the description because there's a link that will give you an additional 20% off when you sign up. Okay, so very quickly, let's first look at the pricing. You can see we have three options right here. But don't forget, with the link in my description, you'll get an additional 20% off. Now, another thing I love about this are the instant templates we can use. Now, we won't focus on these templates today, but I just wanted to quickly show you that these were indeed available. And now I'll be saving the best for last, but in this first video, this is where we're simply going to allow Skywork to create us a video just by simply using one prompt. And I used this very simple prompt right here. This woman is a pop star, music video lip syncing this song. All right, so when making this first one, what you want to do is paste in the prompt, and once you do over here in the chat, you want to make sure you properly tag everything. So first, make sure you have videos selected. There's the full prompt. This is the image I'm referencing right here. You can see as I hover, that is the woman, and then the rest of the prompt. And then in addition to, you can actually add audio. I generated this audio right here, and then we can put it all together and get that final video. It really is quite simple. And as you scroll down, it provides and creates the reference images it will be using, the scene, and then finally the final product right here. So when I press play, this is what we got.
Clock strikes 12, there goes the light. Tonight is midnight, and my diamonds shine bright.
Now again, this was all made with just a very basic simple prompt, the one I just showed you. So you can see how we can take this from just very easy, simple levels to now with the next two videos, even more advanced but more impressive levels. Now before moving on, let me quickly show you this cheat code. So if you go to my website right here, metricsmule.com, go to the blog post page. When you use these specific camera movements and tokens, it's going to allow you to take your videos to completely different and new levels. It's going to provide you with this director stack, directions on how to properly format your prompt with the right structure, the 5 rules, and specific camera verb vocabulary. Very helpful to become like a real Hollywood style director. And then finally, my favorite, 2 things, 50 camera movements and what each one specifically does. But once I scroll down, this is where things really get interesting. 25 shots that make them say wow. And then select these specific show example prompt buttons. It's then going to give you a sample prompt to use that really highlights and showcases what this specific camera angle can do. And if you really like tips and secrets like this, make sure you join my new Let's AI School community. Learn the latest tools and techniques, collaborate with other AI builders and creators, and stay ahead of the AI revolution. Then you're in the right place.
Links in the description.
We're gonna go back over here into Skywork, select video, paste in that prompt that we just got, and now generate this one. Now, every time you generate this, the thing I like about this is that it's going to open up with an agent to help you process, and even if you wanted to, follow a iteration process to make your prompt and video even better. Okay, so now check this out. Now look what we get right here. We're going to get the full storyboard design. The AI agent automatically does this for us. Now again, that one again was just by using a one single prompt. Let's go to video number 2, the original plan, and this time be a little bit more detailed. Now, the prompt we're going to start with is this one right here, a 60-second film of a 24-year-old woman in Paris running from unknown people chasing her. Again, we're going to change up from auto, and we want this to be 60 seconds, so select this right there. And once we enter this, remember, we're starting with the prompt, but we're going to use the iteration process to get this even better. And that is where now we're going to follow the instructions and the specific suggestions here in Skywork with our own agent. Confirm exactly what I want, a 60-second cinematic AI film. Okay? Once I hit start, we now start with the iteration process. And so we can see right here, we get the full storyboard. There it is, the storyboard design crafted perfectly. Again, there is the full thing. Now, perhaps the most helpful part about this is your videos are really going to go to next levels when you start to implement and use character sheets.
Look at me, I'm a character sheet.
Meaning upload a reference image of a character on one image, but in different poses, okay? And so you can see on the left-hand side and in the middle, that's exactly what this did right here. I'm also going to show you in the next example, we're saving the best for last, how to generate the best character sheet images. As I scroll down, you can see it here. There are going to be those scenes. So all you have to do is select the style and scene that you want. Then from there, it generates the videos in 15-second sections. As I scroll on the left-hand side, you can see each one of these. All 4 clips are generated successfully. And now, once you select a specific video, it opens up this amazing editor right here. This is really going to be game-changing because what we can do is we can play everything, we can edit it, and we can even piece things together frame by frame. I can move these around, shorten them, lengthen them, and then finally, once I'm ready, export the whole entire thing. And so here is what the final result turned out to look like.
And now the best one. Let's go with video number 3.
Now, this one's pretty cool. It's a lot more detailed. Now, first we did a few specific things. The full prompt is up here at the top. I'll share that in a second. We first need to generate a character sheet image. Preferably, you want to use GPT 2.0. That seems to do the best job. Create a 9-grid character sheet of this character and reference the character you want to use if you have an image. If not, describe the character and then say in each grid is a different pose and character emotion. And then again, use those meta tokens like realistic, cinematic, 8K, stills archive, and then a specific camera. I just used that Canon EOS R5, which then gave me this specific image right here. Now, I used the same exact thing, the same sort of a prompt, and this time I said same character, but I want to have on this specific outfit. Now, the other thing we want to do is, since this is based on a specific genre, in this case, you can see what my prompt says. It's a drama success story about a woman, and she's showcasing the exterior and interior of a modern mansion. So we also want to provide reference images of the scene. In this case, it's going to be the interior and exterior of this modern mansion. Now, once this prompt is pasted in, I get the full storyboard design right here, okay? Now, again, we can always make changes. If you read through this, you can make the changes by entering them in the bottom left-hand corner, but for the most part, let's just say that we like this, okay? Scroll down, look at everything we're getting as far as the clips. Let's just go ahead and say start the process. That's all I did down in the bottom left, and now you can see that we have Skyclaw going to work. And right now it's in auto model mode, but if I go ahead and expand this, you can see everything we're gonna have access to, from Skyclaw to Claude, GPT, Gemini, Kimi, and DeepSeek, okay? All these options is directly available at our fingertips. Now, the only thing I would recommend is pay special attention to when it's time to generate the images and video. Depending on what sort of look you want to make sure that you pick the right AI image and or right AI video tool to use. All right, now you can see right here, we're getting the process started. Now, after uploading my specific grid images, the MCP tool is selecting what it thinks works best. So it's generating more images, but now we have our final product, our video. Look how amazing this turned out.
Help me be successful.
Now again, remember to check the links in the description to get access to the webpage I showed you with all those AI video cheat codes, in addition to getting a 20% off additional discount when you sign up for Skywork. And if you like this video, please remember, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to Metrics Mule, cause this channel is so fire. Hit that like button, let's say I and go higher.